Good afternoon. My name is Darren Yap. I'm the founder of Wimble Wellness, and I empower stressed out professionals to thrive under pressure. Today, what I want to introduce is this BLOOM framework that I've developed over the last couple of years that I use to help people to integrate mindfulness into their hectic everyday lives. So BLOOM stands for breathe, listen, observe, occupy, and move. So in today's session, this is about breathe. And bearing in mind that mindfulness is not just about breathing. Mindfulness, if we look at the definition, it's being in the present moment on purpose and without judgment. So what we have to do, or try to do, is to focus on the breath. If we're looking at the breath module or the breathe module, we notice what's going on with the breath. So the passing of air through the nostrils, in and out through the nostrils. We don't judge that sensation. We just observe the sensation, the sensation of it might be tickling or coolness or warmth, or you might feel pressure. So whatever that sensation is, you just observe it. We're not liking or disliking it. So it is this idea of being in the present moment, so focusing on the breath on purpose. You're choosing to focus on the breath and without judgment. You're not judging how you feel about it, what's going on. And if you have a thought, you come back to the breath. You have another thought, you manage it in a compassionate manner. So you're not judging yourself for having that thought. You just come back to the breath. You can have that thought later on, but you come back to the breath. So it's just this idea of simply coming back to the breath again and again. So do let me know what you thought about that. Give me a thumbs up if you found it interesting. And yeah, if you have any questions, do comment below the video. And tomorrow I'll be discussing the listening module of this BLOOM framework. So thank you all for watching, and see you tomorrow.